this is our new tutorial about the Snapchat. Let's check how to delete the search history on this app. So let's check how to do it. We just need to open our Snapchat and let's go to the messages section here. Later we need to tap on the search option here, guys, and after the recent inscription we have our search history. So how to delete it, how to remove recents, we just need to pick on the clear all option opposite it and tap on the clear again. So as you can check, as you have an option to check, I had searched about for the Khloe Kardashian and the Kim Kardashian. So let's tap on the search bar again and let's set the Kardashian. I'm so sorry, And guys, as you can check, we don't have the information that these accounts were searched by me. So it's so cool because we can without any troubles delete our search history after one click. So for example, I want to find this account or this account. As you can check, we have our new search history. After clicking on the clear all and the clear, we don't have this info on our account, so we have the clean story. It's very cool. Guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely very useful, and right now you know how to delete your recents on the Snapchat. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool guides about the Snapchat and other programs. So goodbye guys, good luck!